for thunderstorm warning.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in
It's for our
north-central
county.
Georgia, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, south-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Henry County in north-central Georgia, central Walton County in north-central Georgia, Woods County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Lovejoy to Locust Grove to near High Falls State Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McDonough, Conyers, Monroe, Covington, Jackson, Monticello, Stockbridge, Snellville, Loganville, Locust Grove, Social Circle, Oxford, Lafonia, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Rutledge, Newborn, Flavilla, Mansfield, and Jenkinsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 4 p.m.